Hey again, YouTube. I'm back with yet another baseball card thing from Dollarama. 80 cards for $3. I think this is the 6th pack I've bought. We'll start with the left side first. Sorry if I butcher any names. Like I said, I'm fairly new to baseball cards. Hunter Renfroe. Wade Davis. Steve Finley. Mike Schooler. Rene Gonzales. I don't know. Scott Fredrickson. Albert Lyle. Tony Gwynn. Geno Petralli. Alan Ashby. A 94 tops, I think it's something like that. Turn back the clock. Bob Gibson. Jack Morris. Jamie Moyer. Seattle Mariners. Billy Hatcher. They have a video game named Billy Hatcher. And the Giant Egg or something like that. Norman Cash. Rick Honeycutt, 82 Donruss. Daryl Strawberry. Way back in the day I had this guy's rookie card from Flair. I think it was Flair. Charlie Hayes. Greg Swindle. Tom Lasorda, manager of the Dodgers. Oh, look at that, another Billy Hatcher. Jay Payton. Dean Palmer. Ruben Rivera. Power Jays, Rios and Wells. Don Sutton. Tony Fossas. Mike Diaz. Bruce Chen. Jim Gott. Chad McDowell. Ooh, this is a nice card, man. Thick. Victor Zambrano, rookie. Tom Glavine. Benny Santiago. Mike Fitzgerald. Danny Jackson. Rick Wilkins, the Chicago Cubs. Brendan Smith. A Bowman Chrome. Yohandy Jiminian. Yep, I probably butchered the crap out of that. And Yormer Chavez. Alright, let's do the second half, boys. Chad Quayles. Francisco Rodriguez. Lance McCullers. Jesse Orozco. Doug Jones. Zane Smith. Geno Petralli. Garrett Anderson. Brett Boone. Kevin Bass. Joe Bovier. Tony Bernazard. Jeff Reed. Greg Olson. Greg Jeffries. Rafael Soriano. Alan Ginter. Matt Lindstrom. Jorge Julio. Rookie card of Josh Barfield. Lee Tinsley. Pete Incavaglia, or whatever. Luis Gonzales. Oh, I thought for a minute there, I thought that was a real autograph. Anyway, is that numbered? No. Edgar Renteria. Dan Pasqua. Felix Furman. Barry Larkin, Sammy Sosa, Team Prospects Randy Wolf pitcher and Anthony Shoemaker pitcher, Gorman Thomas, Robin Ventura, Cecilio Guante, Jack Armstrong, Damian Easley, is that what that is? Yeah, I guess so. Gary Gady, Todd Froworth, John Candelaria, Craig Biggio, Lance Painter, Brian Bruni, and well, that's a nice rookie card. Seattle Mariners, that's my team, boys. Carter Caps, rookie card. Panini Prism. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.